In this section of training, you'll be observing a word family lesson. We will be using SRS Form B. Even though there are more lines on this form, handwriting is not the focus. The focus of encoding is providing students with another multisensory activity where they are mapping phonemes to graphemes. When delivering an OG lesson to a whole class, we ask teachers to allow 45 minutes. Remember to have your lesson plan packet available and to participate along as a student. All the materials you will need are in the packet. Please write down any questions you may have as you are participating in the lesson.
All right, we're going to do phoneme segmentation first. I'm going to say a word, you say the word after me, and then you're going to tap out the sounds, okay?
Okay.
The first word is lie.
Lie. O-I.
Very nice. Next word, look at my lips. Nice.
Nice. N-I-C. Nice.
Toe.
Toe. T-O.
Good job. Chop.
Chop. Ch-up.
Same.
Same. Aim.
Okay, watch my turn. S-A-M. Your turn.
A.
Very nice. Pick.
Pick. P-I-K.
Rip.
Rip. R-I-P.
Five.
Five. I.
Very nice. Good job. Okay, so now let's get our B checker up. And is it a B or not a B?
B. Not a B. B.
All right. So we'll do the lettering.
F. Fun. Wait.
Up.
F. Fish.
Very good.
S. Snake. E. Edge. F.
Very nice.
H. Hat. V. Van. W. Wagon. What? D.
B checker. Make sure it's it. There you go.
D. Dog. D. X. Box. X. Y. Yo-yo. Yeah. Ch. Chair. Ch. Th. Gum. Sh. Ship. Sh.
Oops.
A. Apple. A. I. H. A. O. Ox. Ah.
Good. Remember the hand motion? Ah.
Ah.
Let's try that again.
O. Ox. Ah.
Very good.
T. Top. T. Z. Zebra. Z. K. Kite. K. W. H. Whistle. What? C. Cat. K. Q. U. Queen. Qua.
Good. And we have a rule. Remember what that rule is? Q is always followed by U.
U.
Okay, let's try that again then. Let's do the card.
Q. U. Queen. Qua.
And the rule?
Q is always followed by U.
You got it.
P. Pig. P. G. Goat. Goat. U. Up. Up. N. Nest. N. M. Man. M. R. Rat.
Oh, and so with the R, we kind of want to go R, like a happy puppy. Let's try that again.
R. Rat.
R. Good.
L. Lamp. O.
Good. And so this one's kind of makes a little L sound as well. So let's try that again.
L. Lamp. O.
L.
L. Lamp. O.
There you go.
J. Jam. J.
And then hold up your beat checker. Good.
B. Boy. But.
All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the tactile drill, and that's where we're going to do skywriting. So get your nice, straight, strong skywriting hand, and when we're going to say the letter, or make the letter as we say all of those parts. You ready? F, fish.
S.
Snake.
S.
E, edge, F.
H. Hat.
Good. I'm going to let you say it now.
V. Van. V. D. Dog. D. X. Box. X. Y, yo, yup. CH, chair, ch.
Very nice.
TH, thumb, SH, ship, sh. A, apple, a. I, H, a. O, ox, a. T, top, t. Z, zebra, z. K, kite, k.
Good. Let's get that straight, strong arm here. You want to shake it out first? Is it getting tired? Okay. Let's straight go.
W, H, whistle, w. C, cat, k.
Oops.
Q, U, queen, qu. P, pig, p. G, goat, g. U, up, N, nest, n. M, man, m. R, rat, r.
Ruh. Happy puppy.
L, lamp, w. J, jam, j. B, boy, b.
Oh, very nice. Okay, shake out that arm. I bet it's tired, isn't it? How are your muscles? You got big muscles now after all that work? All right, so what I'm going to do now is we're going to write some words for you to read, some review words. All right. Remember, when I pull my hand away, that's when you say the sound, and when I underline that word family, you say the sound, okay?
Uh-huh. It, fit. It, hit. In, chin.
Good. Let's go read those two parts.
Fit,
Oh, can you break those two parts apart?
it, fit.
Good.
It, hit. In, chin.
Now read the whole word.
Fit, hit, chin.
Very nice. Let's do some more.
In,
Oops, that's supposed to be an N. Good. And the word is?
pin. M, hem. M, tim.
Good. Read the parts.
N, pin. M, hem. T, M, tim.
And read the whole word.
Pen, hem, tim.
Good job. Okay, so now I want you to read column 1 if you want to be an astronaut when you grow up.
It, fit,
And actually, you can read the whole word.
fit, hit, chin.
Good job. And if you like Star Wars, I want you to read column 2.
Pen, hem, tim.
Very nice. And if you like to read books, let's read column 2 again, okay?
Pen, hem, tim.
All right. So now I am going to, let's see, we're going to work on some vocabulary. So I want you to look at this column here. I'm thinking of a word, and I'm going to tell you what I'm thinking of, and you're going to put your thumb up over your heart if you know what it is, okay? But you're not going to say it out loud till I put my hand out. So I am thinking of a word, and it happens to be a body part. It's part of your body. If you know the word, put your thumb up. And the word is?
Chin.
Chin. Very good. Let's look at column 2. I'm thinking of a word. Actually, it's a person's name. If you know what it is, thumbs up. And the word is?
Tim.
Tim. Very nice. Let's look at column 1 again. Or actually, let's look at column 2 again. I'm thinking of a word that rhymes with when. When. And the word is?
Pen.
Very nice. Good job. Okay, should we do Race the Teacher? Do you know how to do Race the Teacher?
No.
I am going to, I think what I'll do is I will just tap my finger, point to it, and then when I tap it, you have to read it, okay? But I'm going to mix it up. My hand's going to go all over the place. So you ready? I'm going to point, give you a chance to think about it, and then read it.
Him. chin, hit, pin, Tim, fit.
Very nice. Good reading. All right. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you a new word family. So the new word family today, the letters are I, G. What are the letter names?
I-G,
Good. I-G says ig. What does it say?
egg.
Good job. We're going to skywrite it 3 times as we say I-G says ig 3 times. Go.
I-G says egg.
Oh, straight, strong arms. And look up here at the word when you're doing it. Can you point to the word? There you go.
I-G says egg. I-G says egg. I-G says egg.
Good job. Let's review. What are the letter names?
I-G,
Good. And I-G, what sound does I-G make?
egg.
Good. Okay, now let's read some words with our new word family. Remember, I am going to underline it, and then you say the sound for our new word family.
Egg, egg, egg,
All right, I'm going to put letters in front of it, see if we can make some words.
pig,
Oh, good. Can you read the different parts? That's good that you can read the whole word.
egg, pig.
Good.
Egg, wig. Egg, big.
Good. Let's go ahead and read the whole words, okay?
Pig, wig, big.
Very nice. Let's write some more.
Egg, egg, egg.
Good. Let's make some words.
Zig,
Oh, good. Can you read the parts?
egg, zig. Egg, jig. Egg, fig.
Oh, good. Let's go ahead and read the whole words.
Zig, jig, fig.
Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and look at column, well, actually, let's look at this word here. What is that word again?
Jig.
Do you know what a jig is?
Like kind of like shaker dance.
Yeah, and it could be like a little dance. It can be a jig. All right, let's go ahead and read column 1. If you like snow sports, like skiing. Can you read column 1?
Pig, wig, big.
Good. Let's look at column 2. If you like to go to the movies, read column 2.
Zig, jig, fig.
Good. And look at column 1. If you are going to space camp this summer, read column 1.
Pig, wig, big.
That is so awesome. All right, so now I am going to we're going to look at the words in this column here, column 1. I am thinking of a word that's an antonym or the opposite of little. If you know what it is, thumbs up. The word is?
Big.
Good. Let's look at column 2. I'm thinking of a word in column 2 that means like a little dance. If you know what it is, thumbs up. The word is?
Jig.
Very good. And let's look at column 1 again. I'm thinking one of these words actually is an animal. If you know what it is, thumbs up. The word is?
Pig.
Very nice. Good job. You did a super job reading. All right, so now we're going to practice making the capital F. Are you ready?
Yep.
Eyes up here. I'm going to use a script, and I want you to listen as I say the script. So we're going to start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, and pull across. Go to the middle and pull across. Okay?
Okay.
So we're going to skywrite that 3 times as we say that, and I'll help you with the script. So get your nice, straight, strong arms. Start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, straight across, go to the middle, straight across. Let's do it again. Start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, straight across, go to the middle, straight across. Good. Start at the top, pull down, straight across,
to the middle, straight across.
Very nice. Good job. And now you're going to do that on your script, or on your own template, okay? So you ready? Nice and loud, okay?
Start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, straight across, jump to the middle, straight across.
Start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, pull across, or straight across. Go to the middle, straight across. One more time. Start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, straight across, jump to the middle, straight across. Good, that's how we make a capital F. Now I'm going to show you how to make a capital F on your paper. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, eyes up here. Are you ready? Okay, we're going to start at the top, pull down. Notice I'm stopping right there at where his feet are. Then I'm going to jump to the top, straight across, go to the middle, straight across. I'm going to do that 3 times. Will you say it with me as I make it? Start at the top, pull down, jump back to the top, pull across, or straight across, go to the middle, straight across. One more time. Start at the top, pull down, jump to the top, straight across, go to the middle, straight across. All right, do you think you can make that on your own paper? All right. And I want you to say that script as you write it nice and loud 3 times.
Start at the top, pull down, jump back to the top, straight across, go to the middle, straight across.
Good. 2 more times.
The top, pull down, jump to the top, straight across, jump to the middle, straight across. Start at the top, pull down, jump back to the top, straight across, jump to the middle, straight across.
Very nice. Good job. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do our auditory drill. So I want you to put your finger on the rectangle. Where?
Rectangle.
Good. I'm going to say a letter name, so you're going to look at my lips. I want you to repeat it, and then you're going to say it as you write it. Are you ready? Eyes on me. D.
D.
Good. Say that as you write it.
D.
Good. And check your work. Look up here. Next letter. X.
X.
Say it as you write it.
X.
Good. I like the way you're checking your work. R.
R. R.
Nice. F.
F.
Don't forget to say it. F. Good job. And check your work. Nice. Put your finger on the circle. Where?
Circle.
This time I'm going to say a sound and then you repeat the sound, okay? Look at my lips. R.
R.
Good. Say it as you write it.
R.
Say R, the sound.
R.
Good. Look at my lips. Qua.
Qua.
Say it as you write it.
Qua.
D.
D. D.
Nice. Check your work. A.
A.
Very good. All right, so now put your finger on the square. Where?
Square.
I'm going to say a keyword. I want you to repeat that keyword after me. Rat.
Rat.
What sound goes with rat?
R.
R. Good. Say that as you write it. R. Next word. Look at my lips. Whistle.
Whistle.
What sound goes with whistle?
What?
Good. Say it as you write it.
What?
And check your work. Zebra.
Zebra.
What sound goes with zebra? Good. Say it as you write it. Look at my mouth. Look at my lips. Box.
Box.
What sound goes with box?
But
It sounds like we want that sound at the end. X. We want that x sound. Good. Say it as you write it. Very nice. Put your finger on the triangle. Where?
triangle.
I'm going to say a word. We're actually going to listen for the beginning sound in these words, okay? I'll say the word, and then you say it after me. You ready? Look at my mouth. Nap.
Nap.
What sound do you hear at the beginning of nap?
Mm.
Good. Say it as you write it.
Mm.
Nice. Check your work. Look at my mouth. Fix.
Fix.
What sound do you hear at the beginning? Very nice. Remember to say it as you write it. Look at my mouth. 10.
10.
What sound do you hear at the beginning? Good. All right. And what sound does it make? Good. Last one. Are you ready for this one? Thin.
Fin.
What sound do you hear at the beginning of thin? Good. Say that sound as you write it. I know it does sound like that. Sometimes it's tricky with that F and that TH, right? Okay, so just cross it out and write TH next to it. Very good. Okay, let's put our finger on the rhombus down here at the bottom. What's that called?
Rhombus.
Good. Do you remember that word family that we learned today? What were the letters? Yeah. And what were the letter names?
I-N-G.
Good. And I-G says ig. Can you write that 3 times on your paper as you say that?
I-G says egg.
Good.
I-G says egg. I-G says egg.
Good. Okay, we're going to flip our paper over like a pancake. We're going to write our word family at the top. So can you write IG at the top just to help us remember? Right up here.
I
And what does IG say again?
egg.
We're going to spell some words with our new word family. Are you ready for the first one?
Yep.
Okay. So what you're going to do, the word is wig. What is it?
Wig.
Let's tap it out. Remember, we're going to keep that word family on one finger. You ready? Ig. Good. Now let's write it.
Good.
Good. Check your work. All right. The next word is pig. What's the word?
Pig.
Good. Let's tap it out.
Egg.
Good. Let's put your hand nice and flat. There you go. Now try it.
Egg.
Ig. Good. Write it. Good job. And the word is?
Pig.
Very nice. Okay, now I'm going to teach you a new word today. The new word, so you can put your pencil down for a minute and eyes up here. The new word is, look up here. The new word is have. What's the new word?
Have.
Good. It's spelled H-A-V-E, have. Now your turn.
H-A-V-E. Have.
I can use it in a sentence.
Eh.
I have 2 dogs. Can you use that word have in a sentence?
I have a cool toy.
You have a what?
Cool toy.
Okay. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to skywrite 3 times nice, straight, strong arms, and we're going to spell it and write it. Okay, you ready? H-A-V-E, have. Keep going, nice and straight. Go ahead.
H-A-V-E. Have. H-A-V-E. Have.
Very nice. Okay, what was that word again?
Have.
All right, so now we're going to write it on our paper, but this time when we write it, we're only writing 1 letter at a time. Are you ready? So see those little eyeballs right there? Put your finger on those eyeballs. Okay, now look up at our word. What's the first letter?
H.
Good. Say that as you write it.
H.
Eyes back here. This letter?
A,
Good. Say it as you write it.
A, V, V, E, E.
Very nice. Now you have it on your paper, so you don't need this big paper. So now I want you to write the word have 3 more times as you spell it and say it. Go ahead.
H, A, V, E. Have. H, A, V, E. Have. H, A, V, E. Have.
Good job. Now we're going to skywrite it one more time. So get your nice, straight, strong arm and use your hand that you write with. There you go. Okay, let's use the other hand, the hand you write with. There you go. You ready? Go.
H, A, V, E. Have.
Okay, now you got that word. Got it in your brain? Now you're going to close your eyes this time and skywrite it in the air. Go.
H, A, V, E. Have.
Good job. Okay, open your eyes. Now what you're going to do is cover up your practice words with your hand that you don't write with. Can you use your other hand? Good. And then pick up your pen. And see that right there, that check? You're going to write the word have from memory. Can you do that?
H, A, V, E. Have.
Okay, now you're going to take your hand off and see if you did it right. Do they match?
Yep.
Yay! Can you go?
Yeah.
All right, so then we have a word we've learned before. I'm going to hold it up. You tell me what that word is. What is that word?
This.
This. Good job. What we're going to do, see the book right there?
Yep.
We're going to write that word this on our paper, and we're going to say it out loud and spell it together. Let's go. T
T,
H I S.
S.
This. Good. And we have another word we've learned. What's this word?
B.
Good. Let's spell it and write it on our paper.
B.
B E. And what's the word?
B.
Good job. Okay, now let's do some review words. So you can put your pencil down or your pen down for a second. All right, see if you can remember our new ones.
Have. This. B. C.
I should have left my little thing on. There we go.
Some.
Good.
Dan. Her. Is. No. You.
Very nice. Now we're ready to do our sentence. So that's what that part is there. So I'm going to say the sentence and I want you to repeat the sentence after me. Are you ready? Okay, look at my mouth. His pig is big.
His pig is big.
Good, and we're going to act it out, and I like the way you did that. His pig is big. Very good. Okay, now let's get our tapping hand, and we're going to say, and you can keep it on the table, and we're going to say one word on each finger, okay? So, his pig is big. Okay, let's do that again, just to make sure we got all the right words. His pig is big. Okay, go ahead and write it. Very good. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to see if our sentence is right. So see this right here where it says C-U-P-S? We're going to write cups. Let's do it at the bottom of our paper. So we're going to write C-U-P-S, cups. So the C stands for capital letter. So look at your sentence. Does your sentence begin with a capital letter?
Yep.
Do you need any other capital letters in your sentence?
Nope.
So all of them should be lowercase, right?
Right.
Good. So now we're going to check our C. The next letter is U. Remember, U is for understanding. What's it for?
Understand.
And this is what we're going to do, is you're going to take your finger, I'm going to take my finger, and I'm going to point to my words, you point to your words. And we're just going to make sure they're in the right order so that we understand that it makes sense, okay? His pig is big. Are they in the right order?
Yep.
Yep, so we understand it. Okay, so check the U. P stands for punctuation. What does P stand for?
Punctuation.
Okay, what did you put for punctuation at the end of your sentence?
A period.
That's what I did too. Okay, so check, we've got our punctuation. We don't need anything else. Then S is for spelling. So let's check. Can you look at your words and check them with mine to make sure they're spelled correctly?
Yep.
Does it look good?
Yep.
And then the S we can also use for spacing. Remember how we talked about putting space between our words? So make sure you got space. Awesome. And then check. Very good. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do some word games, okay? So I'm going to say two parts of the word and then you're going to put those together. Are you ready? R-O, what's the word?
Row.
W-E.
We.
M-I.
My.
T-I.
Tie.
U-S.
Us.
B-I.
By.
Good job. And now I'm going to do some rhyming words. So if the words rhyme, thumbs up. If they don't rhyme, thumbs down. Okay, ready? Hot lot. Good. Net sat. Yes, mess. Fish wish. Good. Name nose. Like bike. Good job. Very good. All right, we're going to read a story. And the title of our story is called The Tin. What is it?
The tin.
Good job. And before we start reading, I noticed that there's some words here that have our new word family in it. Like this here. Do you see this?
Egg.
Oh, yeah.
Egg.
Yeah.
Egg. Egg.
And then if we put that J in front of it, what is it?
Jig.
Nice.
Egg. Egg.
Good. And so what's this word here?
Big. Pig. Jig. Big. Pig. Pig.
Good. And notice we also have this one here. What is this word family?
N.
And that's all the way through too. I'm not going to underline all that though today. I don't want to make it too much. All right. So we are going to go ahead. What we're going to do is I'm going to read it first, okay? And then we're going to do an echo read where I'll read a sentence and then you'll read a sentence, okay? And then we'll read it together. So the title is The Tin. Wren is a pig. He is a big pig. Wren did a jig on a tin. The tin fit the big pig. Isn't that a silly story?
Mm-hmm.
So here he is doing a jig. Do you remember what that word jig means?
Like a little dance.
Like a dance, a little dance. Okay. So now we're going to do an echo read. Let's see here. So I'm going to read part and then you read it after me. Wren is a pig.
Wren is a pig.
He is a big pig.
He is a big pig.
Wren did a jig on a tin.
Wren did a jig on a tin.
The tin fit the big pig.
The tin fit the big pig.
Good job. Do you want to read it together now?
Sure.
All right.
Wren,
Let's read the title first.
The
tin.
Wren is a pig. He is a big pig.
Wren did a jig on a tin. The tin fit the big pig. Nice reading. Very good.
You will have an opportunity to talk with your instructors about any questions you have about the lesson. This concludes the Training Lesson 2 demonstration.